Okay guys, welcome back to a brand new video of DIYs with me. Okay guys, and yes, do pardon the video quality again, but if you notice, I sort of fixed the sound from, remember last time that wasn't really that good? Well, now I managed to at least fix it and make it better. So, hasn't it ever happened to you, that one time that you, something bad happened to your phone, such as, the screen broke or whatever, and you don't have the proper tools to open up your phone and check? Well, no worries. You just need to grab a knife like this long. I'm going to compare with the size of the phone. So here you have your phone full size, right? Here you have your knife. Look at the blade. How thick. I'm just going to put it in the camera so that you could kind of get an idea of how long it's supposed to be. It could just be any, but yeah, I chose this one. So, but from that, you're just going to just poke it into the screws like this. Oh, yeah, guys. First, you want to remove your battery. First step, always. And also, here's some cord in some cases. So, there you have it. Now, you just want to remove them like this. Or sometimes you just have to go like this. You have to be going the phone over, but for example here, as you can tell, I'm arranging to fix the screen. As you can tell, my HDMI thingy, I think that's how it's called. So yeah, I'm just going to go like this, and it's important to know that the left side is loosey, right side is tight. So yeah, so this is the right? Well, this is the screw, right? So you need to be going left on it. So I thought I would just make that clear, because I was doing it wrong the first time. And now I could kind of feel the screw getting a little bit tough on me, because yeah. So yeah. Okay, so if you could kind of tell, the screw's actually moving. Let me zoom it in. It is rusty and it is like this, but whatever. So as you can tell, I'm putting the point inside one of the little things. I'm twisting it over. I'm gonna go ahead with this screw. Guys, I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's actually coming out. Like this. And I think it already came out. Look, guys. This is the first screw that came out. So that's actually how you do it. I'm just going to put other screws here so that you could see how that it is possible. Here's another one, and here's another one, guys. Keep in mind that this does take a while, and yes, I'm still doing it with the knife. Just saying. So I'm going to continue doing it like that. And then here's another one, still with the knife. I'm not switching over to a screwdriver because I don't have a screwdriver. And then I already took out the one that was pretty difficult at the beginning. As you can tell, this screw over here, the rusted one, that was perfect. I think it was this one. Oh, I'm just going to continue. Okay guys, so I'm nearly done. I just need this screw over here. These are as much as the screws. As you can tell, not all of them are in the best condition. Just look at it. See, it no longer looks like a screw anymore. Because you see, like, I'm not sure if you could tell, but there's like some iron here from the screws. Like they literally stick onto a knife. So I'm just going to continue with this one. As you see, like, it doesn't really seem like a screw anymore. So I'm going to see what I can do, but it's almost out. Then I can switch out the screen. Cause I'm not sure if you can actually tell. Like, there's like a little line right here. I'm not sure if you can actually tell, but it goes like this. Cause it fell into the sink. So yeah, we're just going to have to see. And that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. So these were all the screws in total. This is how many screws there were. For a giveaway, guess how many screws were here. So you could have just looked at the video. And yeah, and guys, if you're thinking, oh well, my iPhone needs to be opened, so I'm just going to get a knife like he did. Well, you're actually going to need a much smaller knife, because compare these screws with these type of screws. If you notice, this one is slightly bigger than the iPhone one. So for example, the iPhone one, like, we were just trying to insert a knife, and like it just wouldn't work. Well guys, and I'm sure that you could actually figure it from here of how to keep opening it, but for now the DIY was just on how to take off the screws using your knife, and it was actually pretty simple. All you did was do this, and then like you got it and twist it around like this. And guys, here, if you have a Galaxy J7 like I do, here you'll also find another screw that's covered in a lid. I'm not sure if you could tell that, but it'll have like a sticker. I'm not sure if you could actually tell the outline of the square sticker here. It's a square. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want. Oh, peace.